All right, here's downtown Omaha. There's the DoubleTree where I've stayed a few times, but not this time because it was a bit expensive last night. I stayed at the Fairfield instead. We got this parking garage here with some glass Otises. These are actually pretty fun. Watch the indicator, or here's what the fixtures look like. Just your basic Series 2. My phone does not, this new phone does not like to focus in low light. I've noticed that. What is the capacity? 3,000 pounds. Actually, we'll do a full view on the way up. Oh, there we go. Right back down. These definitely are like for 411s. Okay, we'll take one more ride. One more ride. Oh wow. Oh, there's like a whole. Oh, that connects. FNBO. I didn't even realize there's a building by here. Nice. Here's the lobby out here. Just your basic parking garage. And back down to 1. We'll watch the indicator here. These are fun. I like these old 411s. Anyway. Slam. That's it.